What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about water, how to purify water, and how to store water. For those that don't know, I do live in the state of Florida. Hurricane season is upon us, so I just thought I'd make this video. Not to mention too, guys, everybody needs water. So even if you're not in the state of Florida, more likely this video is going to benefit you. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing I have here is a zero water tank. Had this for 2 years, going on 3. It holds 1.5 gallons of water. The filter's in the back, pretty big filter. I actually use this for camping. So yeah, guys, and you can also store water in here too, if need be. So if you're like, I don't feel like taking water, you can always have it in here. It ain't gonna go nowhere. Good suction down here, it ain't gonna go nowhere. So next thing I wanna talk to you guys about is life straws and life straw variants. I highly recommend you guys get a life straw. This is actually my wife's own, and it comes with other things too. That's why this red adapter's on here. But yeah, we already know what a life straw is, what a life straw does. I just want to talk about the other 2 parts that come with that. This right here, this red adapter, you can put on a water bottle. You're rucking, you're having fun, you're being high speed, whatever it is. Oh, you come up on some water, you ran out of water, put it up in there and use gravity to your advantage. So that's the first thing. Second thing is there is a gravity bag. I'll show you guys that real quick. Unlatch it to show you guys. This is a 6-liter bag. Like I said, it is gravity fed, and also too, guys, it is a counterweight bag. All it is that all the water you put in here, the more water you put, the better it gets cinched down. And then the clip I unclipped earlier, which I'm gonna reclip to show you guys, just extra stability right here. And then this piece right here is just to use to hang up on trees or structures, anything where it's high up. So I actually hung this up on my truck when we went camping too. This piece right here is for the hose adapter. Show you guys that real quick. And it also comes with a clip to cut the water off. Put this on here, and then the life straw, you go ahead and just attach it right here, and there you guys go. So yeah, showed you guys the gimmicks and gadgets, things like that. Now I'm going to tell you guys how to actually purify water. So everything I showed you guys in the zero water tank is pretty much what I'm going to tell you guys. So rule of thumb, what I do is I go from bigger solids to smaller solids. So what I do is I'll do like twigs, rocks, things like that. Then I move over to either grass, something like that. And then I'll go to charcoal, charcoal / sand, depending on what it is. And then last but not least, what I go to is cotton balls. That's what I showed you guys beforehand. And after that, guys, even though the water does look clear, things like that, you are gonna have microorganisms, things of that nature. You don't wanna get sick, guys, especially with the end of the world coming. You don't wanna get sick. Hospitals are closed, hospitals packed, things like that. And then what I would do, which I'm gonna show you guys next, what I do is I would boil my water. This is a butane stove. This is the one I showed you guys beforehand. You guys just didn't see it outside of the orange box. So I'm gonna turn it on to show you guys. So you go ahead, secure it. It's all the way secured. And then you go ahead, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So loosen it up. You're gonna hear it hiss. And then you just click this black button right here. So but yeah, guys, boil your water. Like all the times, even when the world doesn't go to crap, things like that, they always tell you, oh, there's a boil water advisory, things like that. So yeah. Next, I want to talk to you guys about is how to store the water that you have. So I try to stay away from plastics, but a lot of people say that glass is a little bit too expensive. So I'll just show you guys that I do have plastic. So this is BPA free. Show you guys right here. That's why I say, guys, make sure you guys are reading your labels, things like that. BPA free. So this is actually a gallon. Then a water bottle. I had this water bottle for about 3-4 years now. Can't go wrong with it. Leak proof, things like that. I'm not sponsored, so I'm not gonna really talk about it. But a water bottle, guys. Preferably metal. Something that's gonna last a long time, especially with the microplastics, things like that. So, and then the last thing I want to talk to you guys about is Ziploc bags. This is just a sandwich in a gallon size. I do have quart size too. Just didn't feel like bringing it out. Yeah, guys. As you guys seen before, I store a lot when it comes to Ziploc bags too, translucent, things like that. You can store water in these, especially like I said, hurricane season is coming up. So for those that have a lot of food, cold food, things like that, or like I said, for water, go ahead, open it up, put as much water in here as you want, and you can freeze it. You can actually make poor man's slushies if you want to. Put a thin layer of water, about like an inch, give or take, inch or so. You can break it up with an ice pick, knife, whatever, and get you some syrup, and there you go. So yeah, guys, if you guys got any questions, let me know. Like I always say, be vigilant, stay blessed, stay out of trouble. I'll catch you guys on the next one, all right?